everyone, you want to watch this video to the very end because this treatment worked for me, so I am positive it will work for you. If you're new, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Also, all of you should please like this video, leave a comment and share to your loved ones. Make sure to shop all your wigs, hair bundles, closures, frontals and eyelashes from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk and follow my Instagram for fashion tips. To start, you need a container and then Colgate toothpaste, any type of your choice. You put in a tablespoon into the container. Next, you put in your baking soda. You need just a teaspoon of this. And then you put in a teaspoon of sugar. I use white sugar, but I'd say ideally go for brown sugar as it's got bigger granules. I added more, so actually I used a tablespoon of this. And finally, a tablespoon of lemon juice. Remember not to throw the fruit away, as you will need this to assist you with exfoliating your knees. And then you mix everything all together. I use the fork as that is more effective with the mixture. That is ready. The benefit of using Colgate is it contains mild bleaching agent for whitening. Lemon brightens and repairs skin color, and baking soda helps to brighten as well and remove dead skin cells. Now we're going to scrub our knees. I first apply the paste at the dark areas of my knees, like so. Now moving on to the left knee and apply to all the dark areas. Then you use the lemon fruit to assist you exfoliate the knees properly, like so. Be firm with it and press it as hard as you can. But remember, if you have a sensitive skin, you're best doing it with your fingers. But if you still want to do it with the fruit, don't press too hard onto the skin. I finally finish this off by applying more of the product onto my knees, the paste onto my knees, and then I leave it on to sit for 10 minutes before I rinse it off. That's me all done. Make sure to apply this product 2 to 3 times a week, and if you have a sensitive skin, leave it on your skin for just 2 to 3 minutes and nothing more. The final process is to apply any moisturizer of your choice. I use the MAKARI night serum to lock moisture back into the skin and to avoid skin dryness and flakiness. As you guys can see, the results is obvious. It's not really drastic, but my knees are definitely looking lighter than before. The disadvantages some people may experience when using this are burning sensation, irritation, and slight redness. That is the end of this video showing the simple treatment of getting rid of dark knees. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!